Hey, my name is Jacob from Team 6517. This is Landon. This is Drew. We are So-Kno Robo from South Knoxville, Tennessee. And this is our 2025 competition robot named Ripley. So our design philosophy as a team is to try and stay as light and as fast as we possibly can. As you can see, we have a 22 by 22 chassis with a couple of mechanisms and some crazy packaging. Basically, we use the CTR system to try and stay as light as possible by using as many X44 motors as we could.
Let's talk about the chassis just first for a little bit. So the chassis, we're using the West Coast Flicked Swerve. It's really quick, really punchy. We've got the Krakens and the X44s on there. Or they're both Krakens, but you know what I mean, the X60s, X44s. They're really nice. We have the CTR pigeon as well for our positioning for our robot. They've worked super well for us, and we've had browning out issues in the past, and this solved all of those. And then we've got the licensing, and its upgraded update speed has really worked wonders for a lot of our specific systems that need quick inputs and quick update speed. So that's been awesome. We also use it for our elevator, and their utility has been phenomenal for all of our positioning and tuning. We can get those straight from the utility, and it's a lot easier than what we've used in the past.
I guess let's start with the normal coil path. This right here is our indexer with this passively deploying mechanism if we want to intake. So this pops outside of our frame perimeter, and it gives us a bigger and wider mouth to be able to intake these oil. Whenever we get this into our indexer, it passes it to our outtake. Basically, this is on a Swift COTS elevator driven by an X60 on a 5-to-1. And so it's been working like a dream. It's so fast. This is our algae mechanism right here. It's sticking up. All it does is it comes in, it picks it up, and then we can spit it up into the barge. It's meant to be as light as possible, so we're using SRPP composite, and we're using a Kraken X44. The 12-ounce weight really helped us here, along with its power. With the addition of the Kraken motors, everything that you can see at the elevator and higher weighs roughly less than 20 pounds. So that allows us to have the lowest center of gravity out of anybody on the field, and we've never tipped. We have a 45-pound belly pan that keeps us super glued to the ground. So actually, whenever we spike an algae on the ground, we don't beach ourselves on it. It goes flying.
Our climber has been, it's on a about 320-to-1, and it has a ratchet and pawl built into it. It'll come, grab the cage, we drive through it, tilt it back, and then we straighten out, and then it will come back, and it keeps it locked in with those 4 connection points.
So yeah, we use music functionality on our robot. It allows us to hear whenever our quest is ready, or we're ready to load our choral. It'll play certain songs that we have downloaded to these motors, and it allows us to, you know, as technician and field setup, we can listen in and determine, oh, the quest is ready. We can go move to whatever possession we need, or things like that.
Yeah, it's really nice to be able to have those status things where you would be relying on mainly your driver's station. We still do that a little bit just to double check, but it's really a fail-safe in the robot. So it's really kind of talking to you and telling you, hey, I'm ready. So if you incorporate the music or just sounds in general from the motors, it's really helpful for setting up your robot, making sure its states are all correct at match startup. And it is a fun twist to be able to say, hey, my robot syncs. So that's pretty cool. Our entire robot, we're using 2 limelights and Quest for vision and odometry. The whole thing weighs, we're almost at max weight now. We've added a little bit, but we were 110 during season. So we are light, punchy. That's our 2025 robot.